Oh, sorry. Good morning, Williams, Philippines. Sorry about that. Yeah. Didn't get to it last night. Had people coming through pretty much on and off all night. I did manage to get a lot of walking around the building and such, so I broke 7,000 steps, so yay. All I know is I'm tired, and I'm trying to deal with the getting all the different computers and phones and tablets all onto the new router. I got most of that done yesterday, but still got a couple to go in the way of getting my updates on everything and virus scans, because, well, unprotected stuff. And this one's I've got the new one's got a VPN built in, so I got a VPN behind a VPN. It seems to be working. So yeah, getting all that set up and all the fun stuff of updates and virus scans and the fun stuff of having computers. But yeah, it is what it is. Could be worse. I'm I'm a bit tired at this point, and the last let's see, I've got one more old phone I'm gonna try to get online so they can the passwords and such for it and get it updated, the apps on it updated. Just finished getting this one here updated, and definitions for the antivirus and such all taken care of. So, because no computer or no connection except for hardwire, and yeah, don't even have any hardwire on this one, and I'm running on the 5G. So I'm gonna try to see how fast this uploads on my system. So yay. And I literally had to pull all the stuff out from over here so I could get to where I could plug it in and get it connected over onto this router and get the other one out of the way. Where did I sit the other? There it is. Yeah, it's sitting over there out of the way, and I got 4 keyboards. Yeah, 4 keyboards, wired ones, that need to go bye-bye, and an old Windows XP computer. All out of that corner. So, yay. I'll be getting that up out of here. Talk to the boss. I was going to try to do my garage sale this weekend, but he's going to Dallas to be with family. Important stuff. So, yay. That's a good thing. I always take care of family. Yeah. Don't have a lot of that, but I don't have a lot of that. But, what I do, I have a tendency to try to keep track of and take care of. And that's a good thing. Oh, God. Oh. It is Tuesday at 10:15 a.m. on 9/24/2024. So Sorry. I'm a bit tired. And doing the computer stuff here, it's all that fun stuff. So boring. Yeah. Don't get me wrong. I like doing it in some cases, but some days I'm not in the mood. And I did about 4.5 hours of this yesterday to get all the other ones up, get them up and running. Now I've got this one and 2 more back there in the bedroom and 1 phone left to go. So while I'm getting that one going and that phone and the last phone updated, and that's the easy one, the phone. The little tablet, I had 24 updates. It's only been 2 weeks. Oy. Yeah, fun stuff. But that one in there is going to probably have a few updates on it too, so an antivirus and such will be needed. And then do all the scans for it, because you never know when you're without good protection on your antivirus and such. And I don't know what caused it, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, so double check everything, make sure there's no problems. And I need to refill that. I'm thirsty. Actually, I'm sleepy. It is what it is. Anyway, let's see. Get this done. I'll try to go to the kitchen and get my food cooked because I'm hungry. And then, call it a day and go to sleep and get ready for tonight. My doctor's appointment is going to be on Thursday in the morning. So yay there. And then next Thursday I got the fun stuff in Lubbock again. All happy about that stuff, because yeah. But actually, like I say, I've moved up. I'm trying to make sure I hit 5,000 paces every day on my steps and such. That's a good thing. All I know is my legs are tired at the end of the day. And today's ended up being, what was it? I did 12 wraps around the building and 5 figure 8s through the building and all the stairs that entailed. And my calves are telling me, yeah, nasties. It's okay though. I'd rather, build it up and do the work here, and because it's definitely helping. Yeah, my system is, I was in a lot worse shape than what I thought. That's why it's taken this so much to build back up, I think. I let myself go way past what I should have. Bad choices. Life goes on. Live and learn. Better you die and you don't. I prefer to live and learn now. I'm trying to improve things. So, yay, fun stuff. Anyway, boy, I'm seeming a bit distracted because I am tired and bored, and I'm hungry, and I want to go to sleep. That's the problem with having to do boring stuff. I'm getting stuff accomplished, but it's definitely not my idea of fun, and yeah. I'm not sitting here trying to keep things going. Anyway, I'm gonna get this taken care of and get it uploaded, and then call it. I have 175 subscribers. Thank you all for sticking with me on this and coming along for the ride. Yeah, I can't wait to get over to the Philippines. There was some go-to ferries. Apparently they've added a new ferry or something, or a new route. I don't know. Anyway, got Amazing Philippines put something up about the ferries and traveling a day or two ago, or yesterday or today, I forget. But yeah, getting to try to keep all this figured out and such, and going through and learning this, that, and the other. I'm gonna be talking to my doctor about my my insurance apparently doesn't cover just my pharmacy giving it to me in the way of a couple of my shots, and my pharmacist said I might need to go, because my pharmacy said, or my insurance company says they cover it, but my pharmacists say they don't. So apparently it's not covered if the pharmacist does it. So I need to get in touch with my doctor about getting a couple of them shots done. Yellow fever, I got them wrote. It's in a list in my, along with my vaccination card. Yeah. Trying to get all that crap figured out. And then I still have to set up and take my what do you call it, the defensive driver's course. Somewhere in there I'm also got to take and get that get the motorcycle course and get the riding part of that done in October. I got to double check and remember what day that is so that I can get that done, because I want to get it taken care of so I can have it ready, because apparently the Texas Department of Public Safety, the driver's license people, are making you have to have a 3-month wait. Yeah. I don't know. I think, yeah, as far as I'm concerned, it'd just be best to just walk up in there and sit in their lap. But then, what do you expect, them to do? Actually earn their paycheck? Yeah, right. Government. I don't see that happening. Rob you for it, but never work for it. Anyway, gotta remember to take and get my international driver's license while I'm at it over there, getting all that done, because hey, that's the fun stuff. And I need to get with them and find out when to schedule an appointment after I get this stuff, the class taken. So there's so much to do. Yeah. Don't know about you, but it's been a long one. I'm calling it. Williams Philippines, thanks for sticking around and being my subscribers. I appreciate it, and I appreciate your comments. Please do keep commenting, and I'll try to keep answering as best I can, and doing what I can do to get over there. Having them, I want to go fishing. Anyway, William, Williams, Philippines. Y'all have a good day and blessing. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.